Frustrating? Seeing people jump straight into investing, buying stocks, crypto, or whatever is trending, while they're still carrying credit card debt at 20% plus interest. That's like trying to grow your money while something else is quietly draining it even faster. It's not that investing is wrong, it's the order that's wrong. Because wealth isn't built by doing random things. It's built by doing the right things in the right sequence. Let's get real for a second. A huge number of people don't even have a basic safety cushion. If something unexpected happens, a medical bill, car repair, job loss, they're forced to rely on debt. Or they sell investments at the worst possible time. And at the same time, they're asking, which stock should I buy? Or is crypto still worth it? That's skipping the foundation and trying to build the roof first. Step 1. Build a small safety net. Before you invest anything, create a basic emergency fund. Start small. First goal, $1,000. Then, 1 month of expenses. Eventually, 3 to 6 months. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. When life throws surprises, you won't panic or make bad financial decisions. Step 2. Kill high-interest debt. If you're paying 18%, 20% or more in interest, nothing you invest will reliably beat that. Paying off that debt is like earning a guaranteed return equal to that interest rate. Think about it. Every dollar you use to clear that debt is working for you. Focus on the highest interest first. This is called the avalanche method. It saves you the most money over time. Step 3. Don't ignore free money. If your employer offers a retirement match, take it. That's not investing, that's free money. Even a 50% match is an instant return you won't find anywhere else. So contribute just enough to get the full match. Then go back and finish clearing your debt. Step 4. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Once your foundation is strong, it's time to grow. Start with accounts that give you tax benefits. These accounts help your money grow faster because less of it goes to taxes. And over time, that difference becomes massive. Step 5. Choose smart, low-cost investments. Inside those accounts, keep it simple. You don't need to chase trends or guess the next big winner. Low-cost index funds and ETFs are often the smartest long-term choice. They're simple, diversified, and historically reliable. Step 6. Maximize long-term growth. As your income increases, increase contributions, stay consistent, and don't stop during market ups or downs. Consistency beats timing. Every time. Step 7. Then, and only then, use taxable accounts. This is where most people start, but it should actually be last. Taxable accounts are flexible, but they come with taxes on gains and dividends. They're great for early retirement or big future goals, but only after everything else is optimized. The big idea. Wealth isn't about doing more. It's about doing things in the right order. Emergency fund, then debt, then employer match, then tax-advantaged investing, then everything else. Skip the basics, and you'll struggle. Master the basics, and everything gets easier. Most people chase excitement, but real financial success comes from doing the boring things consistently. Do it right now, and your future self will be glad you did. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps improve future content.